3.7, number 275. We have the function f of x equals the root of x minus 4 and the point 2, 8. Part A. Find the slope of the tangent line. To f inverse at point P. All right. So the formula, as we've mentioned before, is f inverse prime that we're trying to get a grasp of at that location is the reciprocal of f prime with the inverse value plugged in. All right, so we're going to need two things. We need f inverse of a, and we need f prime. We need to combine them together and then take the reciprocal. That will give us the slope of the tangent line to f inverse. So in this particular problem, though, if we look at this point here, we have 2, 8. So if you put 2 in here, you'll quickly recognize it does not produce 8. So this point is not on the function f. It's actually on f inverse. Because you can see if you plug in 8, you take 8 and put it in here, right? You take the y value and put it in here. Minus 4 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. You get the x value. So therefore, that means this is on f inverse. Which means if we want f inverse of 2 right now, it's already given to us. This whole expression here is already given to us right as 8. Okay? There's no calculation necessary, and there's no necessity of finding the inverse function to solve any equations here or anything like that. So this is a little bit easier in some sense. I still need to compute f prime of x. Again, if I view this radical as a rational power of 1/2, then the 1/2 would come down. X minus 4 stays the same on the inside. I lower the power by 1 to negative 1/2. I take the derivative of the inner function, x minus 4, which is 1, and I append it out here as a multiply. But it does nothing, so I'm not going to bother to write it. Okay, cleaning this up just a little bit, we'll have 1 over 2 root x minus 4. We need to calculate this at 8. Right? Once we have this value, this will be our denominator here. So f prime at 8 should be 1 over 2 square root of 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so we get a quarter. But what we really want is this, 1 over that value. So 1 over a quarter will be 4. So now we can continue with part B. We have our answer to the first part, it's 4. And part B is find the equation of the tangent line to f inverse at P. All right, no problem. Again, we've got the tangent line slope. It's known to be 4. And we just need to fill in what the mystery y-intercept is. But we have a point right here, which is on the inverse function, 2, 8. So we just plug it in, and we will get 8 equals 4 times 2 plus b. 8's cancel, 0 is b. So if that's the case, our tangent line is 1 equals 4x.